Ebusiama mema akwaba and found Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe. Turn the notification also on so that anytime I post a video, bit say we are. Ebusiamfo. Accra-Kumasi highway is you know. Yeah, we are hearing say already 10.2 billion cedis B has been spent on the Accra-Kumasi expressway. No? Now, one because this Accra-Kumasi road, I think I clear quite no. I think last week or so in a documentary be free from military about how the pace of work, what they've done so far, and how they are expecting to finish the clearing of the road ahead of schedule, a week or two ahead of schedule that was given to them. Now start clearance, ain't it? Now I actually say you're spending 10.2 billion cedis. 10.2 billion cedis, that's 1 billion, roughly 1 billion United States dollars. Oh goodness. And this is one. Yeah. What did they take Ghanaians for? I don't get it. And the minority are releasing press statement. Government must publish a full breakdown of the 10.92 billion reported expenditure on the Accra-Kumasi Expressway. It reads, the Road Sector Policy Committee of the New Patriotic Party has taken notice of the 2025 audited annual whole of government accounts published by the Auditor General, in which the government of Ghana reports that 10.9 billion was spent under the government priority programs on the Accra-Kumasi Expressway. The publication of this figure raises legitimate questions that deserve clear, detailed, and transparent answers from government. As of June 2026, it is publicly known that 89.5 kilometers, that's 50% of the proposed right of way on the Accra-Kumasi Expressway corridor, has been cleared by the Ghana Armed Forces. The reported expenditure of nearly 11 billion cedis requires a comprehensive explanation beyond the general description contained in the whole of government accounts. We therefore respectfully call on the government, through the Ministry of Roads and Highway, the Ministry of Finance, and all implementing agencies, to publish a detailed expenditure report showing exactly how the 10.9 billion was spent. Public infrastructure projects are financed with taxpayers' money. As such, every Ghanaian has a constitutional right to know precisely how a significant amount of public funds has been utilized. Providing this information will strengthen public confidence, enhance fiscal transparency, and demonstrate government's commitment to accountability in the execution of a major national infrastructure project.
Now, I hear that some people have sent a petition to the Supreme Court seeking an interpretation on the term of a president, literally setting the precedence and the agenda for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to contest again. Now, let's put emotions and politics aside and have a proper conversation. Do you think that there is any political party that wants to lose an elections? Obviously, no. Do you think that there is any political party that has ever been happy handing over power? Obviously, no. It has never been in anyone's interest to lose an elections or hand over power, but in the interest of the nation and the people. It is in the interest of that one sacred idea that we share, and that is democracy. It is in the interest of that one thing that brings us together and puts us all in our places, and that is the rule of law. The NDC must understand that there is a difference between goodwill and a show of power. Goodwill is when your government is new in office, which mostly spans for a year or 1.5 years. That is when the government fools around and covers every bad decision and bad act with gaslighting, like one student, one pad, and kukwa kete kete, which leads to nowhere. Now, on the other hand, a show of power is when the government plays its own drums and dances, misunderstanding the people's silence for a goodwill. Immediately the NDC assumed office, they started playing their own drums. Oh, the term of a president must be reviewed. Oh, 4 years is not enough. Simply because of the fear of losing elections. Now they are playing their own drums and dancing and marching to the Supreme Court that they control to fetch their favorite decision. I thought they said Akufo-Addo was wicked. I thought they said Akufo-Addo was Idi Amin. In fact, they went to the extent of telling the Ghanaian people that the MPP and Akufo-Addo would do everything, even if it involves killing John Dramani Mahama, to make sure that they don't hand over power. That's what they said. That Akufo-Addo is so greedy. He doesn't want to hand over power. That we should all pray for John Dramani Mahama so that he is sworn in as president. If not, the MPP wants to kill John Dramani Mahama. Isn't that what they said? But lo and behold, and thanks to the Almighty God, His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo and His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mamomia graced the inauguration of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as president. Now the question is that, who is the wicked one? Who is the Idi Amin? Who is the tyrant? Who is the greedy one who wants to rule over us at all costs, making sure that he keeps all of Ghana's resources in his brother's pocket? Who is the greedy one? My only word to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is that Kwame Nkrumah was once the most loved person in this country, but he ended up as the most hated person in this country. Then, just serve your term as president and leave. You have looted us enough. You have taken advantage of the Ghanaian people enough. If you want to see the wrath of the Ghanaian people, you should try. Just try. We will forget that we are MPP and turn to civilians. We will turn to real Ghanaians and come and fight you to defend our democracy and fight you to defend our peace. Don't try our patience. Don't try the Ghanaian people. Our silence does not mean that we support you. The way Akufo-Addo handled the peace of this country, and for the sake of the peace of this country, he handed over power to you. You too, for the sake of the peace of this country, hand over power to the
lie. The fee NDC, near NDC need deal. Who said MPP? No quaffo. Say me, MPP, and so MPP for it make us actually, and I get printing, and I never try, and I yet, but in your bonnet, we are bad penina, we are back on the four, no move to me for, to my who said MPP, a poor, or me betting, I cast actually, I met me, I was in bra, with a coupon, or the mammy. Yo, this year I made the mammy. Tina, the free NDC. And this no shame. Oh, me yet NDC need be able to that. The more MPP. I'm doing crying in our choir. Tina, ye MPP me, your coupet. With it, Chobadop, you got to know about what Tano Boise. Me call Kotuaba any one city, every party be a muda. And this is for me, you are Sika West in the Kurada. Ne. Me MPP ni nya matwe midin e de ama nya me ban kofi wayo ne muhu me ameda ho a momra mesie me se MPP ni se abate si wo ya yeto anopa ni kofa ho kakra ni papa wo ho enso wonti dede wonti she boko sa wo eno pra ye menije e ma hokwafo a ama so many the party young campaign to quack, Cabana can talk for us. House in Jeffia, ne mission ha, ne edem, yan tip so nipa prow, other kind of who are. Yeah, but some mission ha, in fear be a fan line me. Yet, said yet, Toma Baha, also a Sundian Kuna.
Unto oka se onyaya na nka plane emfa Akufo-Addo nkohwe na Akufo-Addo wesia na ayeden obi ya invite no ye gina ha na apati nyansani se wo yewura ye maame Samira Bawumia azigi won fon so no ode ne nsa abonebo sam ayi apati nyansani ode ne nsa abonebo obi ya invite no ayame agu ne temba na mka asase me yak ye invite me ye wona desini opoku etimi frɛ Dr. Mahama Bawumia odwan me obi a invite no etimi ka kire o sɛ January 87 ene organa wate enya hwe enya o madwene sɛ omba ma discipline aba party ma bone ben maka adwuma na nya ahimfo akonya wo adwuma ni adwuma yese wo kutakura na wo opposition a wo to pressure ema ruling government me who senya MPP current executives and kaminim say ruling government me to pressure ma opposition party how opposition no una beto pressure ma no na ne time na nko de betiti nipa no wode aye adwuma ena de oba Ghana ye mom ne yama ruling party anya time di titi nipa wa abra ye bobo nija samre samre ko tin kofoi enka demonstration be 5 akoso na kanka nipa entimi nko adwuma ena nka MPP fo ya se r0ad ena ye dida akwam ye dida main street ena ka entimi move a ena international community abem a na nka president Mahama wachi ye nyina yaguma me ahwe no wachi ye nyina yaguma me ahwe. We need to back up. Sa nyom na yeto no na the table 10 na the table ne 10 ya almost person no mafa namfo na ye west sesia na esi yake ho ensesi yatena sima table bi a 10 esi yeso ye sorry ye demonstration ye fa pen drive ye gather videos na NDC for so di NDC TikTokers your former president for your former vice ene obia yeso ye gather videos ni ye mfanya demonstration. Yamfa videos nunko everywhere. We should petition all the stakeholders in Ghana, being it IGP, being it CID boss, being it Chief Justice, being it Council of the Elders, Opinion Leaders, Peace Council. Say your leaders no so petition your leaders no they should call a nationwide demonstration in the MPP. Aden, yadi yentime strike. The Pia who say MPP near leader no the need that's why internal election, re-election, and to a Juma Ben, who yama party mana re-election na yode. Re-election unya na eden. Constituency position ukonya na eden. Ye ja unko say ye constituency bibia ubetima unko betima me wini power. The ordinary person na wati small village no wati tally posters no woya billboards no woya campaign no ono so kan bi na wini power enye sika nko a enkofo di system na me wini power discipline ba app yi so ya pese discipline ba Ghana dia enye the two sides of the same coin. Ye twa ha ba wuntimi nka se ye di ni nyina begu MPP for so na watima ko jeli obi 1 year aden a wakoka nantwie sie ho ate na sofo na waka so wasie nantwie no aden ne ente no di onu beka se wasie nantwie no aden no de ente no di akoso ne awrefo di akoso ne enye ogana wache ani general 87 mesremo adwuma no muntimi mamu nkobiem adwuma no mama mbetimi mefa adwuma no adwuma no mumo obi mefa na spirit fufro dan kwa buzia dombo spirit ne emra MPP na yese MPP ne spirit bi anim adani this way chocolate drink 3 in 1 the onyani so share enye. We need the spirit back. We need the spirit back. We don't have executives. Nanke ya nuane saying a whole parliament yewura Mahama yaliga etimaka se o ma cameras maho ni yejai sa amreki ayama ka cameras ni beginem because a MPP ni wa be ma enkomo ntwemaye enkomo tomato media o ma to de community o ma to COS wo no omu nyina de aguya so aden adia na ekoso eti enkosi da ben ene ye beto nwom ena the table 10 table bi antani o table bi ankotani we bia table ni betani a ejina foundation e beto ne ne so wa mu ani amre na uko election e besisiu na wo mu wuti wakura ye sisiu na wo se wo twan ama 2028 na dru no mati mu nyina maguma adru no ma poison ye nyina ese leadership ne keka omo a time has come. We need to rise up. Yanka si ebesei yebe demonstration ase ne ma e Ghana. Yanka si yebe kosu conflict. Yanka si yebe kosu chaos. Yanka si yebe kosu war. We are going to use the law and demonstrate. We are going to use the law to petition all the stakeholders in this country. See a petition stakeholders in this country. Now we will petition the international communities. Because enough is enough. Mekura minim rano. Mehu se etina yete then is miracle no eyam kwasi asem. Obi wura ni fie na wo de by force kwati no. Ade wo wura Ghana obeyira kotogo. So obedru Ghana na obeyira kotogo. No kura ni oman no kura ebi ni oman Samosi the auditors general report yeah adwuma muntie tie nsema ekoso enkoko anketenkete kura yase nkofo akunkumare the disability sika ye dispense ye enkofo akodi obi waso odi bia koto TV ni nyina ye nka ho asem Dennis de ne ye koche no adentia Dennis akoka se obi am protect Dr. Mahama Baumia wuti si ye ka ye di Baumia tema ko atake Dennis akoka sa tie nti no because obi person okotetem enti Dennis akwa momianti Dennis ni amfanya diverse na tatis because obi support to Dr. Mahama Baumia agenda enti ho ya dwuma no kra me yanya krokro di don me no ka say ama odi akatira me since 2023 executive ben na etima ba bontin openly e communicate e support e communication I support to Dr. Mahama Baumia on even 5 occasions executive ben mention any of the executives. What is executive on his own was sorry so what is obi say ba omiadi obi kan say mutia ba omia enti ono nko abedinam e defend ba omiada since 2023 the same executive womuti and okatatia FIFA ko use the word Bawumia is a liar ema sami jan FIFA edin no ekotene ba bia eye bawolaya executive ben etimi kanta here since 2023 Entine, oh Saba, say real lesson, statement.